Hello guys and welcome back to my video vlog of practically everything, as my Ish 49 restoration project has stalled because of some other things to do, as unpurposely looks like my daily runner heater box has failed and the fan is not spinning anymore. I don't have heat anymore, and as already winter arrived to Lithuania, I must fix it and take care of my daily runner. Let's change the heater fan. VW T25. Yeah, well, it's cutting. At the same time, I think I will strip it and will get it painted. It's not very nice here. Yeah. Let's try and do that. All the sectors are done. Looks really good. My panel has arrived. Almost done. Already dark outside. Heater motor already installed. Panel powder paint. Let's have a look how it's looking. Looks fresh and new. Looks actually really solid. Should last for long. The texture looks really good. Looks original. Most important, the heater box is practically refurbished. All good now. Another thing that I noticed while I was repairing the heater box, I have an issue with the front window seal. It's leaking water. I'm going to do is to remove the front windscreen and then maybe seal it somehow if it's possible. Another thing that I'm planning to do, AFN engine swap. I have the perfect material for that. Yes, girl. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.